day 3, the big dust storms finally hit. Is this a sign of what's to come? This is part 2 of my Burning Man series, where I'm taking you through the entire burn from start to finish. If you missed part 1, we made it through the rain to Black Rock City, with no repeat of the epic rain and mud of 2023. Hallelujah. We got settled in and had 2 beautiful days to explore the playa. But now, on day 3, things get intense. Our first major dust storm rolls in, and later that night, my bike gets completely stuck in the playa. Well, I end up bikeless for the rest of the burn. Then the next day, 2 of my campmates are getting married, and I'm in charge of cooking dinner for our entire camp of 100 people before sunset. Will we make it in time? Stay tuned to find out, and don't miss a moment. Hit that subscribe button to join me on this epic burn. My name is Wandering. Now let's go home. Alright, just had my morning coffee. Earlier today, I went to a breathwork class, and I feel really aligned and centered. Amazing. And today, you have some dust storms happening, so that's why I have my goggles on and my face mask. It's also like 222 day. Oh, it's getting dusty. Let's put on my face mask. Gotta go back to camp now. Crazy dust storm up ahead. Oh my gosh. Out in the deep playa, or just the playa in general. Yeah. Hi. Just chilling. It's a really hot afternoon today, and there's a dust storm. I'm at this Square One camp. Let me show you what's around. So, over here, there's a barbecue over there. And up here, a huge tower. Having a shot of mezcal right now. I'm in the banana room. Look, I've turned into a banana. Oh my gosh, today is extra dusty, very windy. Look at the visibility. Can't really see anything up there. But it's just way cooler when it's like this, isn't it? Let's go. Over here we have a little bonfire. Sure, it lights up at night. A random electric house. Jacks, giant jacks. I see bosses over there. They're hosting a party. Way too hot for that now. That art car is just gorgeous. Look at that, it's a unicorn. Looks like a brain. Giant brain. There's the man, covered in dust. Hi. This is day 3, Tuesday. First dusty day. This makes the whole experience more complete. It's not a Burning Man without dust storm. Haven't seen that one there. Let's go. Eyes, big eyes. It's getting stuck in the sand. You have to walk it. It's good to kind of slow down and look at this piece of art. It's a cute bike. Up there we have a giant banana. Yes. Oh my gosh, we're caught in the whiteout. Can't really see anything. Look. Man, it's so obscure now. Wow. Just all of a sudden. Look at that big banana. How cute is that? And I'm in a major dust storm right now. I think it'll blow past soon. Wow. What a whiteout. You can still see. It's not too bad. Oh, this spot over here is pretty amazing. Very creaky, huh? Oh, dust storm. Get up. Alright, wow, dust storm really picked up. Can't see a thing. That structure right in front of me is barely visible. Oh, wow, can't see anything. But amidst all the white dust storm, it's kind of zen out. Just gotta take a moment to be still and let the moment pass. Get your bearings and wait for things to clear up. See? Now you can see the artwork more. Couldn't even see those eyes just a few seconds ago. Alright, this is fun. But I want to go back into the city. Oh. I still have my tutu on because it's Tutu Tuesday. Alright, it seems like the dust storm have cleared up. Alright. Pretty much clear. Alright, I just finished a tantric touch class at Camp Contact, and we practiced the 4 elements of touching. Earth, fire, wind, and water. Oh, please so relax now. And now we have a beautiful sunset out in the playa, so let me take a look out there, check out the scene. Whoa, look at this beautiful sunset. Wow, there's the lamplighters. This is so gorgeous. So happy to be here. Time to get back on my bike to get back to camp for dinner. Yeah. There's the lamplighters going back to the city. There's all the lamp that they put up. You can't really see it really. There's the TNB. I have like one hand now. Skill has improved. I didn't do this last year. I learned how to bike last year at my first Burning Man. Couldn't even ride with one hand without falling down. Actually, I did fall down and scraped my knee. Luckily, it was in the flat. The This paint camp over here is my marker for my street. Very convenient. Paint hard. Bye, Playa. Heading back to my camp now. Elephant camp. That tall slide. I don't have the outfit for it now. It'll scrape my ass. Miniature golf. Mud putt. Fun way to chill. Uh-oh, the lights are starting to come on. Party music's getting on as well. There she is. There's Boz. And people are having dinner. It's perfect timing. Alright. Go park my bike. I should go to my tent and grab my bowls and utensils because you have to bring your own here. Alright. And that's a wrap. Go eat. Starving. Alright, so just had a really fun time checking out the Berlin gay dance party, Golden Guide, and a friend of mine was playing some horns at this really cool spiritual sort of tent with a DJ set. And now I'm on a mission to find Mayan warriors because there is a huge DJ playing and my friend Patrick is there, so let's go see if I can find him. And it helps that Mayan warrior has the tallest light beaming from his art car. That must be it right there. I don't know if it's gonna show up on the camera. Pretty sure. Oh, it could be that one too. There's two of them. Such a warm day, warm night. I don't have to wear much. Ooh, look at this house. There's the eye. I don't know what's going on out there. Down there, it's my warrior. Checkmate! Checkmate. Alright, let's head to my warrior. Straight ahead. Must be it. Glad we did the dust storm earlier. It's been perfect tonight. Oh yeah, up there, that is my warrior. Wow, that's a nice one. So cool. I have to park strategically. I'm not gonna be able to find my bike for sure out here. All the bikes look the same in the dark. Look at all these bikes. So many. Out in the edges of the deep playa where the trash fence is. How far we are out. Well, I guess it's best to park it strategically based on the location of the art car, unless it moves, which it does tend to do. But I don't feel like Mayan warrior would do that, so alright, see ya. It's getting a bit chilly, I didn't bring my jacket with me, so I'm gonna put on my long sleeve shirt. Alright, I'm ready. Let's go. There's a drone show going on and a rocket ship. It's a portal. Whee! Oh, now there's 2 lanes. Oh, much better. This is much better. Dead bike, that's dangerous.
Oh, dude, you got me.
Oh, last year, the mud. Oh my gosh, last year's mud. What a year to have my first burn. 2023. Wait, Mu 3? What does that mean? No clue. Oh, on the other side. Hold on. There we go. Now that makes a lot more sense. Come. That's a good reminder. Everyone should come today. Alright, let's check out the eye. Oh, this isn't good. My scarf got caught in the chain. Now I gotta get this out. Can't move. Oh well. There's always something. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got it out. Oh, that was such a nightmare. It took me like half an hour. I had to really pee too. I'm in the middle of the desert, nowhere. But hope my bike still works. Hope I didn't break it from trying to take this scarf out. But alright. Oh my gosh. Crisis averted. My bike still works. Everything's fine. Thought my chain might have gotten loose or came off or something, but it's the scarf got stuck in the chain wheel, which was a nightmare. But I got out. She's gonna go past me or not? I need to go pee. Porta potty. When I got to the porta potty, there was a long 30-minute wait. And then, a dust storm suddenly hit us. It was a good thing I got my bike freed earlier. I headed back to Mayan warriors and found my friend. But he and his campmates were tending to someone they just met. So we waited until she felt better. Then we took off and rode around a bit, got tired, and called it a night. Good morning. Day 4, Wednesday. Today is White Wednesday, so that's all white. And I'm in charge of dinner tonight, so we gotta start preparing around 2:30. It's around 1 p.m. now, so I figure I'm gonna go get some dim sum, take a nice steam bath, and then start prepping dinner. Let's do it. It's a beautiful day out today. Yeah. Alright. Just got some dim sum from this lovely Coco Disco camp. Alright, our Wednesday night dinner is almost ready. So we are making dinner early because 2 of our campers are getting married out at Playa tonight. So we're gonna be eating earlier. Let me show you what we're making. So we're making mac and cheese, barbecue pork.
I think that's it.
Yeah, we have more to go.
And coleslaw. Burn 14. And we're off. I'm off to chase the wedding party. So two of us are getting married on the playa, and they're on that sheep right now, getting to the wedding ceremony area. And look at this beautiful sunset we're having. Wow, this is such a lovely day for a wedding. Look at that, it's amazing. Wow, so stunning. Wedding man. There's the wedding party. Bus. Right, so two people from my camp, Ben and Corey, are about to get married in the middle of the desert, the playa, just the playa. And we have this beautiful sunset, and behind me we have Boz. Yeah, that's where the marriage wedding's gonna happen.
Here outside.
Oh my gosh, we're gathering. Let's go check it out.
This playa is a space where we all come to discover ourselves and more fully express ourselves, express what's in our hearts. Sometimes, if we're lucky enough, we find a piece of ourselves in someone else out here.
We met 2 years ago today on this very playa. I was scared to come to Burning Man, nervous about if I could handle the experience. I immediately felt at home when I arrived here. And on day 3, Wednesday, around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the best and biggest gift of my entire life started walking towards me, completely naked. And you confidently strode up to me and said, "Hi, my shower mate just canceled on me at Astro Pups. Do you want to take a shower with me?" I looked at you and immediately said, "Yes, I'll take a shower with you." And thank God I said yes. It was the most important yes of my life. We spent the rest of the burn together, biking, dancing, exploring. And when the temple burned, we cried together, not wanting to say goodbye. I started falling in love with you immediately. The last 2 years with you have been the best of my 42 years on this planet. Give me a second.
How do you top that? I love waking you up in the morning with your silly music that you've listened to a million times, and getting you a coffee that you put too much sugar in. I love that you let me dress you up for this wedding, and how much I feel like we're growing together and not just one of us is already grown and the other is growing against them. And I love that you've let me take you to Build Week, and you've gotten to find parts of yourself. And I love that you've taken me to events that I always don't feel totally ready for, and I can be your partner on the side, and I'm right there with you.
Corey, do you take Ben in sickness and in health, for good and ill, for the rest of your days?
I do, and this is Ben's former Prince Albert piercing.
I do.
I'm not pronouncing husband and husband. You mean
So romantic. Playa wedding. My first
Maybe the first of many to come. Oh my gosh, wow. Simply amazing to be able to experience that. I wish you both, Ben and Corey, eternal bliss and happiness together.
After the wedding, I decided to fully embrace the Burning Man principle of immediacy by leaving my camera behind and heading out for an epic night. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next parts where I'll take you along to experience more magical Burning Man moments, including Playa sunrises, the man burn, and so much more.